What's up everybody, it's your boy Joshua and welcome back to Motion Media 7. Last week we went to a mall and we tried to take some photos with some beautiful ladies, two of them. They were Miss Natasha and Miss Teresa. It was so funny, but man, it was damn hot. I don't know if you can see that in the video. You can see that I had a blue shirt that kind of really sweat in it. So don't focus on this one. Let's focus on the photo shoot. It was with a Canon T6. Actually, I did that video because I want to show to some of my friends that it doesn't matter the gear that you're using as long as you know what you want. Okay, so this is the reason why we do the behind the shoot with the Canon T6, and actually for the whole month of September we are going to do behind the shoot with that same camera. Also, it is important to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell if you don't want to miss any of our videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. What's up everybody, it's your boy Joshua and welcome back to Motion Media 7. Today in this video we are going to do behind the scene with those two beautiful ladies. Can you see them? Those two beautiful ladies.
Hello.
Her name is, what's your name again?
Teresa.
Teresa, and yours?
Natasha.
Natasha. So we have two ladies, two lovely ladies that we are going to take photos today, and we are going to watch this photo. Okay, so we are going to talk about this camera. This one is T6 camera. We are going to shoot with that one, which is a 75 to 300. So together we're going to take the photo. it is important to let them feel comfortable and to talk to them every single time that you are taking the photo. And also sometimes when you have some minutes free while you are changing pose or changing subjects to different places, you have to show them the photos so they can feel comfortable watching the photos and know exactly what they have to do more, okay, what they have to do next. It is also important to do that. And also you can find that photo shoot in my Instagram. I'm gonna link in the description. And also I got TikTok right now, so for those of you who want to get my photos in TikTok, so be sure to check out that photo session, because I'm gonna take some part of it and put it in TikTok, and also all the photo shoot that we're gonna do. Remember guys, again, subscribe to the channel and ask me the question that you want, and also share it to your friends so they can know exactly what they have to do, and also follow us. All right then, thank you so much for watching this video, and also the Instagram of each of those ladies is going to be at the bottom of the video so that you guys can go and take a look of them. Peace out.